core of our own humanity lies within the nervous system. With a vastly interconnected network of over 100 billion neurons, our brains are home to all that we think of as ourselves, whether that be memory, creativity, identity, or consciousness. The nervous system wouldn't be complete, however, without the spinal cord and system of nerves that work in tandem for quick communication throughout the body. In ancient Greece, Aristotle postulated that the brain was a secondary organ that cools the heart, a primary organ. This couldn't have been further from the truth. The nervous system as a whole plays a role in all major body systems, whether that be communication or integration of information, but the functions cannot be reduced to that. It coordinates vital and cognitive functions. It plays a role in all that we think and do. The nervous system is divided into the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system, comprised of the brain and spinal cord, synthesizes information received from the peripheral nervous system and coordinates function outputs for the entire body. The spinal cord acts as a transit system for afferent and efferent signal pathways between the brain and the peripheral nervous system. The peripheral nervous system is composed of cranial and spinal nerves that extend from the spinal cord, brain, and ganglia. Spinal nerves transmit both afferent information, which is sent to the brain for integration, and efferent information, which is the brain's response being sent back to the peripheral body. The peripheral nervous system can be subdivided into the somatic nervous system, which serves to innervate skeletal muscle for movement and sends signals back to the central nervous system from the external environment, and the autonomic nervous system. The sympathetic and parasympathetic divisions of the autonomic nervous system work antagonistically to maintain balance during functions of our daily lives. The parasympathetic division is typically activated during rest and digest processes, while the sympathetic division is active during times of stress, eliciting fight or flight responses. Neurons are the basic working units of the nervous system, acting to relay impulse signals between the brain and body by way of the spinal cord and nerves. These cells communicate both near and far with rapid electric signal conduction. Though neurons do grow over time, nerve damage is very difficult to repair due to neurons' limited ability to regenerate. With a better understanding of the nervous system as a whole, one can appreciate its infinite complexity and pivotal role in all aspects of our lives, whether that be ourselves, our careers, relationships, or hobbies.